See guys, what, don't go anywhere, huh? Just there, just only in that area, because the wave is so strong. Look, and that area is very dangerous. Oh. Sige, come. Swim. Swim, sit down. Yeah, anak. Yeah, there's a canoe, big, huge one. Yeah. Don't go far, just there. Okay, lalim na diha, malalim na. Di ko maka-save nimo, I cannot save you.
How are you?
Yes. See?
I'm cold.
Yeah, cold ka na. See? Agoy! Okay. Guys! Oh my God. Oh Lord, forgive me, Lord. And see? The waves no bring you under. See, I told you. Very strong. See? Oh. That's all. That's why I told you. See? That's why I told you. Oh. See? Oh, dalun ka sa waves. Oh, tanawa. Oh. See? See, grabe kay waves. Oh. Dina lang dyan ka. Huwag kang lumayo. Kaya madala niya ka sa waves. Patay ka. Yeah, see? Diba?